Welcome to the first of the two modules on data flows. In this section, we'll be transforming the cases and deaths data that we ingested into our data lake from the ECDC website. Let's cast our mind back at the solution architecture. In the last two modules, we ingested the COVID-19 related data from the ECDC website, as well as the population data from the blob storage into our data lake. We now need to transform this data as required for our analysis and reporting. We are going to do the transformation of one of those files in this section using the Data Factory feature called Data Flows. This section has 11 sessions. We'll start with an overview about the data flow and the user interface. We'll then understand our requirement for transforming the cases and deaths file. Then we'll create a data flow with a number of transformations such as source transformation, filter transformation, select transformation, pivot transformation, lookup, and sync transformations. This data flow will help implement our transformation requirements. We'll then create a pipeline to execute this data flow. And finally, I have also provided the useful links to help with any further learning. Let's start with an introduction to data flows in the next session.